Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got the All-American Club Sandwich from Subway, and we put everything on it with mayo, but I don't see any bacon. This is from the special menus for Subway. It's the new menus, and it's about $10 without the tax. So I just wish it had the bacon. So my plan was to just fill up the refrigerator with a whole bunch of Subway sandwiches. But they're not $3 anymore, I don't think. So so that's my video, or short. We had everything but nothing hot. Oh, I think I see the mayo now. Tomatoes, olives, peppers, cucumbers. So it's really like a salad. And what's this? French bread. Okay, well, thanks for tuning in and have a great day. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.